The introduction of this case study is about manufacturing system that used by one soap company in Nigeria. In the successful manufacture of the soap, the things that are highly emphasized are their facility layout and design. Facility layout is the overall arrangement of the machines, departments, material storage, equipment, support facilities, and aisles for the work centers to allow the flow of work, customers, or goods through the system. There are three main types of layout in manufacturing system. The first one is product layout, which is flow shop is associated with high volume production and low product variety. The product layout approach involves setting up the production facilities around the step involved in manufacturing the product. The product goes from one step to another one step as it is manufactured. This is the typical assembly line approach. This is the example for product layout. For example, in the manufacturing process of a car, the car body goes from one stage of the production to the next. Employees at each stage work on the car and then pass it on the next stage.
Next is process layout. In a process layout, management groups together machines that perform similar functions. For example, it may put all of the latest together in one part of the factory. The part that is being manufactured goes from one process area to another process area as it is manufactured. Hospitals typically follow a process layout. For example, the maternity ward is an area where the hospital attends to all aspects of the maternity process. Similarly, the cardiac unit attends to all aspects of cardiac care. Layout is a combination of the product layout and process layout. It combines the advantages of both layout systems. This layout is a kind of layout where persons doing similar activities or machines doing similar operations are grouped together. The examples of the group layout are keeping all accounting machines in one room and making provisions for all typists in one room. If there are machines and components in a group layout, the machines and components will be divided into number of machine component cells or group such that all the components assigned to a cell are almost processed within that cell itself. Here, the objective is to minimize the inter-cell movements, and the basic aim of a group technology layout is to identify families of components that require similar or satisfying all the requirements of the machines are grouped into cells.
The answer of the question is, the first determinants in designing a facility layout is types of product. The product can be categorized as good or service. There are various product design and quality requirements for each product. Next, the characteristic of the materials and material handling equipment. Material characteristics such as size, shape, fragility, bulkiness, and weight could affect the types of equipment to use for material handling. For instance, material handling equipment could be cranes, conveyors, and so on. The third determinant is nature of manufacturing process. It is the method of production, including the form of handling of products, the process of producing goods or service, and distributions. The technology used could influence the process of production. Next, the volume of productions. The volume of productions may influence the facility design and capacity utilizations as well as the types of layout. And the last one is types of production or operations methods, which is product layout, process layout, and fixed position layout.
Now we explain about the question number 3. The question is discuss the result of having a well-designed facility layout. Facility layout and design is an important component of a business overall operation, both in terms of maximizing the effectiveness of the production process and meeting the needs of employees. This criteria includes the following. Firstly is effective production management. And effective production management facility layout ensure that There is a smooth and steady flow of production material, equipments, and manpowers at minimum cost. Secondly is improve one-time delivery performance. This is the best way that we can improve to make sure our customers are satisfied. The improvement on time delivery is a major challenge for us to increase the enterprise level of customer service and strengthen its competitive position in the market. And the last one is highest product quality. As a supplier, we will ensure that the product produced by us are high quality, and we will also use a premium material so that our customers are satisfied with the result that have been done by us. We also hope that our customer can trust us to be their supplier forever.
As a conclusion, efficient management in an operation is essential in the success of a company. For example, facility layout and design management that has been discussed in this case study. This is a very important factor to the success in the manufacture of the products, because a good layout and design may help the organization improve the business performance and productivity. The more efficient the facility layout and design management in a company, the greater the productivity of the company.